Today's story is Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Life by Kimberly and James Dean. Tips from a cool cat for living an awesome life. Life takes courage, be brave, Pete's. Once upon a time, to begin, William Wordsworth. If you don't know where you are going, any path will get you there. Lewis Carroll. Go with the flow, Pete's. Keep it simple, chill out, Pete's. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. Far out with friend, you are never alone, Pete's. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. Helen Keller. Opportunity is missed by most people because it comes dressed in overall and looks like work. Thomas Edison. Amazing things happen when you work hard. Pete's. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Vinnie Gritsey. Go for it, Pete's. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that an aeroplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Henry Ford. Groovy. If you try, you can fly. Pete's. Be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Oscar Wilde. If you want to be cool, just be you. Pete's. Make each day your masterpiece. John Wooden. Look for the good in every day. Pete's. It's cool to color outside the lines. Pete's. Every child is an artist. The problem is how to remain an artist once we grow up. Pablo Picasso. You must do the things you think you cannot do. Eleanor Roosevelt. Nothing is impossible. Peace. Write it on your heart that every day is the best day in the year. Ralph Waldo Emerson. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I am feeling alright. Peace. Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a hard battle. Plato. With a smile and a little kindness, you can make someone's day better. Peace. This too shall pass, unknown. Above the cloud, the sun is always shining. Peace. Don't talk too much. Peace. A meowing cat catches no mice. Yiddish proverb. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that wouldn't work. Thomas Edison. There are no failures, just lessons. Peace. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. Attributed to Albert Einstein. Being different is very cool, and there is something everyone can do. Pete's. Hope is the thing with feather that perches in the soul and sings the tunes without the words and never stop at all. Emily Dickinson. Don't lose hope. Keep on rocking. Pete's. Be happy. Pete's. Most flocks are as happy as they make up their mind to be. Abraham Lincoln. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailor. proverb. It can get taught, but you are taughter. Pete. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Mark Twain. Dude, don't even think about it. Pete. If music be the food of love, play on. William Shakespeare. Keep striving. Pierce. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Dalai Lama. Kindness starts with me. Pierce. It's a good day. Pierce. A well spent day. Bring happy sleep. Leonardo da Vinci. The end.